I mean, all the tears were lies.
You're lying. I don't cry. I don't cry. But I just pretend for you to make that, to feel that I'm enjoying it, but I don't.
Thank you, and God bless you. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Bravo.
If I were you, I would willingly accept his proposal and damn that Odinkese boy. This is the golden opportunity, oh. The teacher is handsome. And you're here telling me Odinkese. Open your eyes. Shine your eyes, my sister. You have seen me, oh.
Hey, Ajwa. Are you sure everything is okay with you?
Yes, mommy, everything is fine.
Are you sure?
I'm perfectly sure, mommy. I'm just tired. You know, I just got back from fetching firewood.
Yeah, Vicination, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawili, a descendant from the great Ametoma Willis family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Bredi, and I call it Back in the Days.
Kofi! Do you have food in the house?
Which food? Hey, Kwaku, you like eating but you don't like working. Why? You have to work as a man. Let me tell you something. Your mother-in-law called me, and it was all about you refusing to work. And also your wife also complained the same thing to me. But what they are saying is true, so you have to think about it or do something about it.
You mean my wife Konadu told you this?
Yes.
How?
Why how? Why how? So is she not supposed to tell me this? I'm your best friend, so if she tells me this, what's wrong? You are saying you have to work as a man. You have to provide the house food.
So is it by force for me to go to farm?
Oh yes, it's by force. That's the work that we are all doing in this village. So what are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
Oh yes.
Don't you know I've been to school before and I'm waiting for the government to give me work?
You are waiting for the government to give you work?
Yes.
Pastor, you are shitting and you are talking shit. You better stop talking shit.
I'm shitting and I'm talking shit.
Don't you know you are talking shit? You are shitting at the same time talking shit. You better stop talking shit.
Shit. It's not your fault.
It's your fault.
It's Konedu's fault.
Whose fault?
Konedu's for my wife.
Don't blame your wife.
And I'll meet her in the house. It's Konedu's fault.
Oh, no wonder you keep on begging food. No wonder.
If you don't try to insult me.
No, I'm not.
Don't ever try to insult me.
So you have stopped shitting because of my advice.
Advice. Take your advice.
Hey!
It's the advice of food. I'll meet her in the house.
Come on, complete your shitting, oh. You haven't finished shitting. Don't go to the house and joke over there. Fucking boy. You don't want advice. This time I'm advising you and you are walking over me. Oh, take your shit away. Don't kind. This guy, let me follow him. Get his side. Let me follow him. Because of my advice, you have stopped shitting. Meanwhile, you haven't completed your shitting. Hey, bravo! Hajiman,
Bravo! What are you doing here?
I came to ask him something.
You came to ask him something and you are all over him.
You wanted to know something about light and...
Hey! Take off your hand. Ajiman, Buddy! You have slept with my wife.
Baba,
No. Hey!
Stop fooling. Are you out of your mind?
Who is out of his mind?
How can I do that with him? Here.
Bravo! Hey, Ajiman. Mekun, put that. Jai, and go on. Jai, Mekun. Whoa! You are already dead. Listen to me. Listen and listen carefully. In this village, me, Boboli Bobo, I don't serve that your God. I serve the ancestors. I have already sent 5 souls into their graves. Trust me, you will be the 6th person to go to your early grave. Bravo, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Do you want to kill me? Huh?
I don't like what you are doing. No.
Bravo,
I don't like what you are doing.
what have I done? So don't you appreciate whatever I am doing for you? Bravo.
Can you take me to the city?
Oh, so it's because of the city. That is why you are sleeping with these guys around like a dog, eh? Because of city. Brago, please, I don't want to see you standing with this guy again. What is this? Huh? What? Huh? Bravo! Wait for me over there.
Akwele, Kansima, I'm just coming from your place and Mommy said you went out.
Yes. I went to Freme's house to collect some books. As we all know, she's the most brilliant student in class.
Kansima, you said books, but you're holding this.
When I went, she wasn't around. Yes, she was not around.
Oh, well, yeah, she is very good. Yeah.
Yes, we all know she's very good. Akwele, I'm going to the house. Would you like to accompany me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'll be doing that then.
Hey, look at you.
Escort me here. I'm going to collect something from Kwan.
Hey, my God.
I'm just going to collect something.
Konedu, are you insane? Why will you complain to my friend? Yes, of course. Do you want the whole village to know that I'm jobless, right? Konedu!
I'm sorry, but I needed to.
You needed to do what?
I'm sick and tired of this poverty. And besides, he's your best friend, so I didn't say anything bad about it.
Konedu, if you know you are tired of this marriage, you can pack and go back to your father's house.
Is that what you are telling me?
Yes, of course. What do you want me to tell you? Konedu! Please, pa! With all due respect, I respect you a lot as a wife. Please, I don't want to lay my hands on you.
So, the compound is so dirty. Where is this girl? Anele. My daughter, wake up.
Mommy, you are here.
You're fast asleep. Are you sure everything is okay with you?
Yes, mommy, everything is fine.
Are you sure?
I'm perfectly sure, mommy. I'm just tired. You know, I just got back from fetching firewood.
Okay. You get inside and sleep. I'm going out and be back soon, okay?
Okay, mommy.
Hey, Wasi, are you going to watch them all? Konadu, can you please make it tomorrow so that I'll help you out, please?
I am tired, so I'm going to my father's house.
Konadu, please, I'm sorry for what happened. I'm sorry, please. I didn't mean those words.
I'm tired, so I'm going to my father's house. And I know they will receive me with happiness. At least I'll be safe there with my baby. Please let me go.
Stop it. Stop it, Konadu. You know I can't do without you. I'm so sorry. I love you. I love you so much. Konadu, you've been there for me for a long time. And besides, you're carrying my baby. Konadu, please. For the sake of our baby, please forgive me. Sorry. Konadu, please, I'm sorry. And I promise it will never happen again. I'm sorry. Konadu, please, I'm sorry. For the sake of our baby, please. I'm sorry, Konadu, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I promise you, as I've already said, it will not happen again. I'm sorry.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Araba. Araba, you know you're a very beautiful girl. And then every man would want to have you. Eh? Every man would die to have you. And in fact, Araba, I want you to know that I like you. And I want you to come to my house today.
Okay, teacher Mawili, I'll do just that for you.
That is a very good response from a very good girl. And a beautiful one.
Okay, thank you, teacher Mawili.
Oh, whatever. Don't worry. I hope to see you.
Okay, sir.
Hi. Shege, I'll have to taste this honey pot too.
What? What is it? What's your problem? I don't love you. And I will never.
Why are you shouting? I just came here because you left your catapult at your usual sitting place. So I decided to bring it to you. You can have it.
Nanama, thank you for responding to my call.
You are welcome.
I never thought you'd be coming, but hey, here you are. Once again, thank you very much. Nanama, you see, I don't talk too much. I only show actions. And I want to keep my message short and simple. Nanama, you see, I decided not to date or marry at all because of certain things. But hey, shoot me. Ever since I set my eyes on you, I can't take them off. I must confess, you are very, very beautiful and I am in love with you. Please,
Thank you.
will you be my girlfriend so that I can spend the rest of my life with you?
Are you really sure of what you're telling me? Because what will a city handsome guy like you be doing with a village girl like me? No.
Nanama, you see, you are very, very beautiful. If I should take you to the city right now, buy you those beautiful dresses, do you think you'll be looking like this? No. That is the reason why I want to change your life. I want to take you to the city. You can't be living here. I have to make you look more beautiful than ever. Please, accept my proposal and take me serious.
You know what? I am a virgin and I've never been in a relationship before. So I would be glad if you would give me some time to think about it.
Nanama, do you know right now I am the happiest man on earth? This is serious. You mean I'm going to be a virgin breaker?
Sometimes.
Wow. Nanama, please don't turn me down. I really, really love you. You've changed my mindset of not getting into any relationship. I want to take you to the city. Please.
You know what? Like I said, just let me think about it. So.
Yes, you can. Take good care of yourself, okay?
Okay.
Mama.
You are right, Adikra. You are right.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for good works that you are doing for me. Thank you.
Adikra, you need not to thank me. You know, it's my responsibility. I can't allow the youth of this community, in fact, to go astray. You see, so when I'm doing it, I know I'm doing the right thing. Moreover, I am the eye of this community.
Sure.
So whatever I see, or whenever I see that things are going wrong way, I can't sit down. I have to see to it that I get close to you so that we find solution to solve the problem. I can't allow it to go wayward. No. And then one thing, do you know that some of the maidens in our community have started practicing sex? Sex within our community. And in fact, if we don't start advising them about it, a time will come we'll have teen pregnancy in our community.
You are right.
And it will be very serious.
You are right. As for that, I'll be very serious on that.
You
So
have to.
we need to do something about it.
Like I told you, I am the eye of this community, so me, I don't sleep. Oh. I go and look at where the sound is coming from. I go and look at. Even sometimes I get close to your window, so whatever you do, I hear them. Hey, you don't sleep for the crew.
Thank you. Okay, I will leave you here.
I hear you. So you hear from me in no time with the crew.
Thank you.
May the gods bless you.
Bye-bye.
The crew.
Back in the days, back in the days.
Next, back in the days.
We have very nice buildings, very tall ones. We have nice cars and beautiful dresses.
Wow.
Araba, in fact, you are a good girl. Tomakola. I mean, turn around, make her see something. Ah, wow. That is good. In fact, today, something could happen. JB.
We can never be together. Get that? No, you are already engaged to someone in this village. Bobole Bobo.
Oh, forget about Bobole Bobo.
Back in the days, back in the days. Ready my Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Jaya kuboni dio, ticha mauli. Jaya kuboni dio.